Hello everyone, welcome to another Go High Level video. In today's video, I will show you how to use AI to auto reply to new Google and Facebook reviews in Go High Level. Now before we get started, you will need an account for this on Go High Level, so you can get one with our 30-day free trial link down below in the description. So definitely check that out, but let's get started with the tutorial. So first of all, make sure to go to the agency view, and from the agency view, go to the settings and go to the company settings. Now, as you can see here, you will have enable reviews AI. You will need to click this, and as you can see here, you will see what you're getting with this right here. So reviews AI is a feature that is chargeable for every message generation. So keep in mind, if you want to use this AI to auto reply to new Google and Facebook reviews, well, you will need to pay for it, because keep in mind, this is like you're paying a VA for each review response. So as you can see, it's paying $0.08 per review response. Obviously, you can read this whole thing, pause the video, and see if this is worth it for you. But click I confirm and I agree to the reviews AI terms. Click enable, and once you click enable, as you can see, it will be enabled right here. We will need to wait obviously a little bit because this is a new tool. Now, once we have this, we can go back here, and we can go and switch this to our sub account. Now keep in mind, I do not have reputation enabled on this sub account, but if you have reputation enabled, you will be able to go to the reputation here, and once you go to the reputation, as you can see here, you will see all your analytics, stuff like that. You will go to requests or reviews actually. Now as you can see, this is how it's going to look like for you. Go to reviews, and here you will be able to click on AI reply on each of these reviews. For example, if I want to reply with AI on this review, I can click here AI reply, or I can reply myself and I can generate a AI reply. As you can see right here, it's basically a generated AI reply. Keep in mind that you will need to check this obviously, so that everything is correct, and then once everything is correct, you will be able to send the reply to that Google or Facebook review in Go High Level. Now this is how it works. You will need to just turn on the auto response. You can go to reputation management on your sub account, and you will be able to go to the auto responses, and then 4 stars or above. You will be able to do this in overview or requests. You also have settings, so you will be able to do this in settings. So just go to auto responses, and this is how it's going to look like. Auto response sent to only 4 stars or above. Keep in mind, it will charge $0.8 for each response. So again, you can calculate that yourself, but that's pretty much how you can use AI to auto reply to new Google and Facebook reviews in Go High Level. Now again, if you want more Go High Level video tutorials, we have a bunch of them on our channel, and you can get a 30-day free trial with our links down below on Go High Level. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.